What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Wealth Hack Wednesday, and this is another fun one because I've got a friend of mine, a buddy of mine, who has a wealth hack tip that has never been shared here on the channel. And you know, since I was a financial planner for 16 years, you might think that this is something that I did a lot of, but I actually didn't. I didn't do any of this, but this guy, he was able to make $380,000 in about 6 months. So yeah, just hear those numbers one more time. $380,000 in 6 months. So he's gonna share what this wealth hack tip is right now.
Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jason Brown, real money stocks and options trader with thebrownreport.com, and you're watching Wealth Hack Wednesday with Jeff Rose. All right, so let's talk about my #1 wealth hack tip. See, if you know anything about the stock market or anything about my journey, for example, last year I was able to make $380,000 in about 6 months, but the hack and the tip and the way that I was able to do that is by using stock options. You see, most people get excited about buying the actual stock, but they don't understand that you can 3, 4, 5, and sometimes 10x your return by buying the actual option and controlling the stock versus actually owning it. So let me give you an example. You got Apple. Apple right now is trading for around $200 a share. So let's say you only have $1,000. If you were to take that $1,000 and buy as many Apple shares as you can only buy 5 shares. So now you own 5 shares of Apple stock for about $1,000. If the stock moved up $5, you'd only make a whopping $25 with your money. So you put up $1,000, you made a whopping $25. Not that exciting. Now, let's talk about the option. Let's just say with Apple trading around $200, you bought a call option on Apple with that same $1,000. Now, with a call option, that means you control the stock. You don't actually own it, but you control it at $200. Now, let's say Apple did the same thing and moved up $5 from 200 to 205. Now, each option contract, which controls 100 shares, would earn $5 per share. So you actually could earn $500 with that $1,000 versus earning $25 with that $1,000. So look at it, do the math. When you look at earning 25 versus earning 500, over here you got a 50% return on the same money by controlling the stock versus actually owning it. That's my wealth tip, my wealth hack. Learn how to use options to control stock versus actually owning it. You take advantage of the same price movement, but you can possibly 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x your return. This is Wealth Hack Wednesday.